you're on. So Matthew's hooked back into what we think might be a big peacock. Not sure yet. Getting the net ready. Just fight him, let him fight. Keep him off the trolling motor. He hasn't shown himself yet, so we don't know the size. Oh, I see a little shadow. Oh, he's a good peacock. It's a stud. Look at that. Yep, almost. Bring him in. There he is.
Ooh, yeah.
That's a good fish. That's a nice peacock. Let me get the hook out of him. Where's the hook hiding? Right in the nose. Love it. Come here. Get it in position. There we go. As soon as I get the hook out, Matthew, go ahead. Yep, go ahead and get him. Grab him hard because he's going to get your hand on the tail. Yep, definitely get your hand on your tail. Look at that and then turn around and look at me. Holy smokes. That's a fish right there, folks. What do you think, Matthew?
Nice one.
Yeah?
Big male.
Big male. Yep. Big male. Beautiful fish. Beautiful fish. Good job, buddy. What's that make for you? Is that number 34?
34.
34. Get a nice release. Here you go, buddy. Right there. Good job. Really proud of you.